Now, let's take a look at how Bill is doing.
The Justice of the Peace Court sent me an answer along with the complaint from Jim Raffo. It says that the court has to receive my answer within 15 days, so I better hurry up and fill it out. The form looks simple enough. All I have to do is check that I want a trial. I think I'm going to send my answer back today. I am so angry that this guy is suing me when it was his horrible work that did the damage to my floor. I mean, I want to sue him for the damage done to my house. It cost me $3,000 to redo my kitchen floor, and I had to spend another $1,000 to get a different plumber to redo his work. I heard the courts have a website. I'm going to check it out and see if I can get my money back for the damages. Here it is. It says that I can file a counterclaim. Now, there isn't a special form, but it says that I should explain what happened, how much he owes me, and how I arrived at the amount he owes me. Then I have to mail it to Jim Raffo and prepare a notarized affidavit saying that I mailed it. I'm not sure what a notarized affidavit is. Okay, now I see in the glossary that a notarized affidavit is a statement I make in writing under oath, and it has to be signed in the presence of a notary public who will notarize it. Once I have the counterclaim and the affidavit, I need to file them with the court in at least 5 days prior to the trial. So I'll get that done tomorrow.
It is important that you file your answer within the time required by the court. The time will be specified in the complaint that you receive. If you do not answer within the time allowed, the plaintiff can file a motion for default judgment, which would mean that you would lose your case without a chance to tell your side of the story. If you do not fully understand the claim against you or need more details about it, you may also request a bill of particulars. If you file a bill of particulars, the plaintiff will be required to provide you with more detailed information about the case against you. If you believe that the plaintiff also owes you money, you may file a counterclaim as Bill did. You must be sure to mail a copy of the counterclaim to the plaintiff and to prepare a notarized affidavit for the court stating that you mailed the copy to the plaintiff. A claim arising out of the same set of facts or situation as the suit against you must generally be filed as a counterclaim so that the two actions can be heard together.